Yeah, let's just. Oh, good morning on Carter's Tiny Homestead. We've experienced a metaphorical, how you say, hurricane, but we're gonna get our backyard garden in order and have it nice and prepared to be beautiful and workable. So, in this moment, we're cleaning up this side run right here to give us space to move the wheelbarrow, and if we need to walk back and forth carrying any kind of wood and or seeds or this, that, or the other. Whew. Good morning. Good morning. My name is Davey. Life got crazy. I used to get around.
Traveling, he said.
Mama, Mr. Baby, now I'm back in town on the Carter's Tiny Homestead. Yeah. Do you want to move it to where that one is?
Why do I need to move it to the greenhouse? Because the rain is coming and all the seeds are in.
Oh, yeah. Oh, the rain is coming?
Winter's coming.
Oh, yeah, we do need to get our areas together. Dang it. You know what's wrong?
Well, you know what?
This is all tangled in there in the other stuff. I'm gonna have to cut it out.
Oh, dang it.
I'd rather cut it than cut this part off, because then we have to refix this.
Yeah,
Or should I just take it off?
No, it's just
Or we could roll it.
I was going to say, why don't we just roll it and leave it right here?
Yeah. Good idea. What is that boy doing?
I don't know, but this ain't going to work. I'm going to need a new spot for,
Another eggplant right here.
That's what I was telling you, that there's a really nice eggplant right there.
Oh, there's so many
Oh,
eggplants.
no, actually, it's this one right here. It's beautiful.
Yeah, that one right there. Oh, there's one right here too.
Yeah, it's tiny. There's like 3. Well, you know what we can use? We can just zip tie these. Zip tie this like this. What?
You're scooping away the tree bark. You don't want to put it in there? Are you scooping away the tree bark? We're gonna do something with this dirt. The buckets of dirt.
Oh, why don't we it on top of the pile of compost.
Now, before I do that, does Reg want that dirt? Or is
That dirt.
this just dirt?
Oh.
Because I know he put, alright, this came out of this area.
Yeah, it came from. I think he wants that dirt.
So put it in the shed?
No, leave it there. Because I don't know what he wants to do with it. But like our buckets of dirt, like that dirt
Is that our bucket?
I think that's it too.
Well, whatever he's gonna do with it, it's going inside his room till he figures it out.
Like, here's how to do with it.
Sure doesn't.
Oh. We should worry about what we're getting ready to do with our compost. What are we going to do with our compost?
What compost?
It's a blue bucket.
Oh, well, we need to fix the composter. But otherwise,
Oh, why don't we get the trolley and take it and dump it in the dump area since we're supposed to build that up?
oh, and just have it all be over there. Yeah, for now.
Oh, sure. And let it put that over there.
Yeah, because it'll eventually mix in.
Or we could dump it right there in the chicken coop. But we're not trying to make trees in there.
Oh, yeah, we should dump it over there. Yeah, you're right. On the homestead, we got a lot of trash, and we have to find places to put it. I turned the water on because the water. Are we throwing away this black fabric?
No.
Can we keep it? Yep. I paid too much money for that black fabric to throw it away.
And I got a leak in my water hose. You got me in some colors tape and see if it'll work. I think the way to do it.
At 10 o'clock, I'm thinking about going over to my friend's house to take him those other chickens.
Oh, okay.
Taking it over here.
Yeah, I'm doing a new angle.
Oh, okay.
So that way.
I'm going to jump this in there so we can take it over there easy. So we have this one and that one. We have this compost, that compost, and then the black composter.
That was my rabbit poop.
Oh, whoops. Oh, you want to follow me with this?
Oh, he's so strong. Watch it all bust out the bottom.
I hope it doesn't fall on my
I don't know why you don't get the trolley.
Because it's full of the food.
No,
the
the
white
hand
one?
one. The U-Haul thing.
Oh, the dolly.
Yeah, that thing.
Oh, that's trolley.
Oh gosh, he done poop back here already again.
As I've mentioned before, we've been working on this area and not.
We
and
haven't.
then trying again and then not succeeding. But this time we have a plan. We're going to turn it into a fruit orchard tree area.
That's our best plan.
Yeah, so it's easy enough. We just need to build up the soil for the rest of the winter and then get us some fruit trees. This is just a box of trash. Well, a box of junk. Garden junk.
So you just dump it right on those mounds that we already have to do something about.
thing fell apart. Look at this bucket.
Yeah, we should just use it as a planter now.
This thing?
Mm-hmm.
This thing is hideous.
Instead of moving it around, it could just be a planter.
Well, where should we put it at? In the trash.
No, nothing goes in the trash. Recycle, blah, blah, blah.
Recycle, reuse, reduce, repurpose, and re-enjoy. When I fixed it. Where are you gonna move this to?
I don't know yet. Move it that way, though.
No!
Well, I'm gonna put it right there for a minute.
No.
Lonnie, watch out.
No. Let's
Lonnie.
go put that word.
Stay back out the way. You're gonna hurt your feet. You don't even have to try on it, trying to get
No.
That's where I wanted to put it. But I didn't know for sure I need to utilize this table door, and over there is keeping me from using it. I think because of the scoop over there. Excuse me, Lonnie.
All right, square it up. Is it square against the? Does that say you need something?
Yeah, that's like, it's just kind of floating in the air. Lonnie, get out of there. Oh, never mind, do what you want.
Watch out for those bricks right here. See, then now you have your seeds. Put dirt down there, dirt down here. Yeah, we did a lot of work this morning.
Where's the top for this? Oh, you done found your mask you lost.
That was in the dirt.
Just leave them and don't water them.
Yeah. This is looking kind of good, actually. It's shaping up. Well, you better shape up, 'cause I need to garden, and I've got my time spent on you. You better shape up.
Oh, I guess we close this a bit back. Want to fish your mud pie later?
Oh, this is going to be so much better to try and walk through.
No, look at that.
On the Carter's Tiny Homestead, we do have a lot of trash to pick up, but some of it can be recycled, repurposed. We can reduce it and reuse it. Thanks for watching Carter's Tiny Homestead. That was just a little bit of yard maintenance.
My name is Davey, life got crazy, I used to get around. Mama missed a baby, now I'm back in town on the Carter's Tiny Homestead.